Students, this is 101st class. So look at the students, prove the following. Prove the following. We have solved same type of questions in that previous video. You solve these questions on your own. I won't solve this. You only have to solve. If you get doubt, you just call me. I help you. So I hope you can solve these two questions. Let's move on to next. Let us move on to next. So prove that. Prove the following. Same question. Prove the following. Prove the following. Prove the following. First question. First question. Tan inverse root x. So tan inverse. So root x is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x. 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Proving this is so easy, students. Solution. Proving this by taking RHS is so easy. Instead of proving LHS is equal to RHS, you go for proving RHS is equal to LHS. I take RHS. RHS. What is RHS? 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x. 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Here you use. Tell me put required for this, students. Put x equals tan square theta. Put x is equal to tan square theta. Why I am using tan square theta? I have plan in my mind. Here I am having cos inverse. If I go for this, put 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. It is cos 2 theta. Do you remember that formula? What is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta? Cos 2 theta. Cos inverse get cancels. Right? So that is 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus. What is this x? Tan square theta. Tan square theta by 1 plus. What is this x? Tan square theta. Tan square theta 1 by 2 cos inverse. Tell me a formula related to the students. What is 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square? Cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. I think cos inverse get cancels. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 2 theta. 2 get cancels. Theta. Substitute for theta. What is theta? Look at this, friends. Tan square theta is equal to x. So tell me tan theta value. Tan theta is equal to root x. Root x. Tan theta is equal to root x. So tan theta equals root x. Theta is equal to tan inverse root x. Theta is equal to tan inverse root x. What is theta value? Tan inverse root x. I hope we got LHS. So RHS is equal to LHS. Proved. Now let's go for proving one more. Let's go for proving one more. Let us go for proving one more. So right. Let us go for proving one more. So next question. So cot inverse root 1 plus sin x plus root 1 minus sin x by root 1 plus sin x minus root 1 minus sin x. So is equal to x by 2. Is equal to x by 2. It's 3 more questions, friends. Though it is lengthy, but it's easy. You take LHS of that. LHS. First you change cot inverse into tan inverse. What is cot inverse x? Cot inverse x is tan inverse 1 by x. Reciprocaling of x. This formula we proved in that last class. So right, you take LHS. You change that into tan inverse. If I wish to change cot inverse into tan inverse, I should go for reciprocaling, reversing. So do that, students. Root 1 plus sin x minus root 1 minus sin x by root 1 plus sin x plus root 1 minus sin x. So you remember Do you remember, students? We have solved this type of problems. So write sine, cos, next sine minus cos, sine plus cos, dividing problem. So by how much we should divide? You must divide every term. Divide every term by this quantity. So divide by root 1 plus sine x. Divide by root 1 plus sine x. That is tan inverse root 1 plus sine by root 1 plus sine 1 minus root 1 minus sine x by root 1 plus sine x. What is root a? Root a by root b, students? Root of a by b. Divide every term. Root 1 plus sine x by root 1 plus sine x 1. Next root 1 minus sine x by root 1 plus sine x. Root a by root b. What is root a by root b? Root of a by b. That is root of 1 minus sine x by 1 plus sine x. So come down, you come down. Root 1 plus sine x by root 1 plus sine x. It is 1 plus root 1 minus sine x by root 1 plus sine x. Root a divided by root b. What is root a divided by root b? Root of a by b. So root of, tell me that 1 minus sine x by what? 1 plus sine x. Now, so use this, students. We have formula. So what is that? Tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy is equal to tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. We know this formula already. So we have used this formula so many times. It's matching. Look at this, students. Tan inverse x minus y. Tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus x into y. X into y. 1 into this means same thing. We are having. Still should I go deeper? No. Tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus x into y. 1 into this means same thing. Right? So I use that. So that is tan inverse 1 minus. So tan inverse root 1 minus sine x by what? 1 plus sine x. Here simplification required, students. So you change sine into cos. You change sine into cos and use half-angle formula. Tell me how much is tan inverse 1? Pi by 4 minus tan inverse. Change required means use 90 minus 1 minus cos pi by 2 minus x by 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus x. Now use half-angle formulas. What is 1 minus cos theta? 2 sin square theta by 2. We have half-angle formulas. 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2. Use that, students. Pi by 4 minus tan inverse root. What is 1 minus cos theta? 2 sin square theta by 2. This is theta. Pi by 2 minus x by 2 by, so write 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta. I am taking this as theta. Theta by 2 means whole divided by 2. Pi by 2 minus x whole divided by 2. Carefully solve, students. Carefully solve. So write that. Now pi by 4 minus tan inverse. So write 2 get cancels. Sin square by cos square, tan square. Sin square by cos square, tan square. So root of tan square. Split it. You know splitting. Pi by 2 by 2. Pi by 4 minus x by 2. Pi, this 2 is in denominator, this 2 is also in denominator. It is 2 to the 4. Not 2 are not getting cancelled. Pi by 2 by 2. Pi by 4 minus x by 2. Splitting. Tell me how much should be written? Pi by 4 minus x by 2. So square root get cancels. Pi by 4 minus tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Tan inverse get cancels. Multiply by minus. Multiply by minus. Pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus into minus plus x by 2. Pi by 4 get cancels. X by 2. We reached answer RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. It's easy question, students. Though it looks difficult, but it is so easy. Next question. There is one more question of the same type. So let us solve that. So tan inverse. Let us solve one more question of the same type. So prove that only. So tan inverse root 1 plus x minus root 1 minus x by root 1 plus x plus root 1 minus x is equal to pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 into cos inverse x. You take LHS, students. You take LHS. Same shape. So sin x minus cos x, sin x plus cos x. This is dividing method. You go for dividing by this quantity, right? Next use that, students. Go for that. Take LHS. So quick. LHS. So divide by root 1 plus x. Divide by root 1 plus x. Tan inverse get cancels 1 minus root 1 minus x divided by root 1 plus x. Root a by root b. What is root a by root b? Root of a by b. So root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Same thing. 1 plus root 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Use formula, students. Tan inverse x minus y is tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus x into y is equal to tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Use it. Clearly these two are matching. These two are looks the same. Tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus x into y. 1 into this means that one only. 1 into this, same thing. So that is tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse root 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Students, how to simplify this? It is so easy. In your question only you will get put. In your question is containing cos inverse x. You see your RHS of your question, it's containing cos inverse x. Tell me put for that. Put x equals cos theta. Use half angle formula. Put x equals cos theta. You will get put from your question only. Need not to crush your brain. Put x equals cos theta. Put x equals cos theta and simplify. So right. Tell me tan inverse 1 pi by 4 minus tan inverse. So root 1 minus cos theta by what? 1 plus cos theta. I told you so many times, whenever this type of terms are seen, the only way is using half angle formulas. Use that half angle formula. Pi by 4 minus so tan inverse. So what is 1 minus cos theta? 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta. 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 get cancels. Pi by 4 minus tan inverse. Sin square by cos square, tan square. Tan square theta by 2. So square root get cancels. Square root get cancels. So right, it is pi by 4. Pi by 4. So minus theta by 2. 1 by 2 into theta. Substitute for theta, students. What is theta? What is theta? Cos inverse x. So we are getting the answer. Pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 into theta means cos inverse x. RHS. So proved. Proving is over. It's so easy. So we have one more question, students. One more question. That so if solve for x, solve for x, solve for x, solve for x. Solve for x. Solve for x. Solve. So tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Solving this is so easy. Solving this is so easy. Look at this, friends. Solution. Clearly it is in the form. It is in the formula form. Tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. What is tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Apply that. Tan inverse x minus y. You assume this as y. Tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus x into y. X into y. 1 into x. X. So using that, so tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x is equal to half into tan inverse x. You cross multiply these two, students. You cross multiply these two. 2 into 2. Cross multiply 2. 2 into, tell me tan inverse 1 pi by 4 minus 2 tan inverse x minus 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse x. 2 2s 5 by 2. Send this to right side. Send this minus term to right side. 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x plus tan inverse x. Tell me now total you had. How much is 2 tan inverse plus tan inverse? 3 tan inverse. 3 tan inverse x. 3 tan inverse x is equal to 5 by 2. Bring this down. Cross multiply. Tan inverse x is equal to 5 by 3 2s are 6. So x required. Send tan inverse right side. X equals tan pi by 6. Tan 30. Tell me tan 30 value. Is it root 3 or 1 by root 3? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Last question of this chapter, students. So right. So there is last question. Last question of this chapter. So last question. Solve. So 2 tan inverse cos x is equal to tan inverse. So tan inverse 2 cosecant x. I think you need not to practice this question. They may ask or they may not ask. Look at this, students. Solving this is so easy. 2 tan inverse cos x. You use this formula. Solution. 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Use this formula. What is 2 tan inverse x? Tan inverse. We put this formula. You apply this formula for this one. 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x. X means cos x. 2 tan inverse x. In the place of x you write cos x. X ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ cos x ಬರಲಿ. tan inverse 2 cos x by 1 minus cos square x is equal to tan inverse 2 cosecant x. 2 cosecant x. Last step, students. Tan inverse get cancels. 2 cos x. What is 1 minus cos square theta? Sin square theta. Sin square x. 2 into cosecant means 1 by sin x. What is cosecant theta? 1 by sin theta. 2 get cancelled, students. 2 getting cancelled. 2 get cancelled. Sin get cancelled. Because on cross multiplying, this sin comes to numerator. Cross multiplying, sin comes to numerator. Can be cancelled. Sin get cancelled. Tell me remaining, students. Tell me how much remains. Cos by sin, tan, cot x. Cot x is equal to what? 1. So x required. Send cot right side. X is equal to what? Cot inverse 1. How much is cot inverse 1? Pi by 4. How much is cot inverse 1? Pi by 4. I hope you understood, students. With this chapter got over. In the next video we shall start a new chapter. Thank you, students. Thank you.